Did it break off in the block?
No.
What happened? Good morning to everyone in YouTube land. Today is Supra Day. What are you doing to my motor? Like, the look on your face is really creepy.
I wasn't doing anything. To clean my room.
You went alone. Clean my room. Yeah, so we're working on the 7M again, which I know all you Stereon guys are happy about. Or Conquest. StarQuest.
Whatever you want to call them.
Mitsubishis.
Mitsubishi.
Chryslers. What are they?
Mitsubishis.
But it says Chrysler. DSM. All right. So yes, we're going to work on this until we find out that I have the wrong part or don't have that part. And then it'll be.
This looks good.
You like
Nice
that?
and shiny.
Cleaned that last night.
It's getting there.
Slowly but surely. A custom high dollar paint job right here.
Is that wrinkle paint?
It is. That is high heat grill wrinkle paint. What you know about that?
Those properly torqued.
They are.
If you're wondering about Randall's eye, a few days ago, he was walking down the street and he saw a gorilla. No, just kidding. No, really. He was walking down the street and he saw this old lady getting mugged. So he took it upon himself to run the other way, and he ran right into a stop sign and he busted up his eye.
What happened.
Leave a comment below. And guess what happened to Randall's eye? We won't tell you if you're right or not.
No.
Just keep guessing.
We would just be entertained by your guesses. The more ridiculous, the better.
Yeah. So I think the consensus is that the consensus is that your car's gonna be running first.
Well, that's fine, but I don't know. Saying can't find bolts for it.
I know the feeling.
Sim notches. Diamond marks.
So I guess in the middle one lines up with them.
Yep.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
And if it's wrong, I don't want to be right. Wait.
I can't stop looking at it.
Mole. Mole, 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 mole. That's not the right bolt. That's not the right bolt either.
It's definitely not the right.
That's the right bolt.
Is it?
No. Remember, kids, always label your bolts.
Yeah. Next time we do this, Everything's getting labeled. Nah.
I was about to say, no, it's not. Because you bought like plastic bags and all kinds of stuff to label everything.
And I still can't find them.
As soon as you ran out of bags, you're like, whatever. Doesn't matter. None of this matters.
Everything's timed?
No.
Oh, you gotta put the belt on for it to be timed because it's called the timing belt. So
Is that what it is?
So when you put the belt on, it times it automatically.
Now it's timed. There you go. Should still be able to turn that. And roll the belt. Get the bottom.
Get the bottom.
Get the crank in time with the belt on it. We'll roll it. Know what I'm saying?
We'll do whatever you want.
Know what I'm saying?
We'll do whatever you want. Whatever you want.
Well, if that's the case, if there's anyone out there in YouTube land who would like to trade a WRX for a Supra, hit me up, bro. Let that drive right there.
So I got a question.
Oh gosh.
When you were starting to drive, what was that one car that you wanted?
It's still the same car, the one car that I still want.
What?
It's an 86 911 turbo.
So when you were 15, you wanted your first car to be an 86 911 turbo?
When I was little, I had a Hot Wheels, and that was my favorite Hot Wheels. So that's what's just carried over.
Yeah.
I always liked that car, so that's why I want one.
Oh.
I don't care that they're ungodly expensive. It's not like I drove a Porsche. It's more like that's my favorite Hot Wheels.
So, sentimental value.
Yes.
Okay.
You?
The car that I wanted to be my first car, believe it or not, was a Honda CRX.
CRXs are cool.
Yeah.
I like CRXs.
I still want one.
I remember you and I almost stole one. I mean,
Almost stole one.
yeah. Maybe we should put that on YouTube.
Oh, Toodles. Was it Toodles? No?
Mm-mm. This was before Toodle.
While we were here?
While we were here in high school.
What? Was it at the junkyard?
No.
I don't remember that.
Okay, you know, in Surfside,
Uh-huh.
where, what's the name of that paint store? Myers, the paint shop is? The paint place is? Paint. Ice cream store. Need one of those.
You confused a paint store with an ice cream store. Yeah, I know.
I can make the connection, but you would be like, Jesus Christ, what's wrong with you? But anyway, where Myers ice cream store is.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you go one street down where the bingo places used to be,
Mm-hmm.
and then you've got the seafood restaurant.
Like we're behind Dick's Pawn Shop, like that area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, there was a little car lot that was behind that. I think it's like the Seafarer.
Yeah.
Or something behind there, and they had a yellow CRX SI.
Mm-hmm.
You and I went to go look at it at like 2 a.m, and the keys were in it, and the doors were unlocked, and we got inside of it.
Why don't I remember that?
And you started it up, and you were like, "We could just take this."
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow.
Like you and I came close to driving off CRX.
Well, there's my shot. Missed it. Wow, I don't block that out of my memory. Guess I did that for in case we ever got questioned about it. You sure it was me?
Yeah, it was you. Because
Okay.
no one else would care about a CRX SI.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, think of all the people that we know who was in the imports.
Yeah.
I can think of one other person I didn't hang out with.
Yeah. So yeah, the first car I wanted was a Honda CRX. So if you have one and you want to give it to us, no matter, I don't care what the condition is. If you just want, if it's sitting in your driveway or your garage or whatever. You just want it out of there, and you don't want anything for it. We'll come pick it up and get it.
Unless it's in Wyoming.
Unless it's like, yeah, within reasonable driving distance. Because yeah, I would like to have one of those. Not that I really have room to put it anywhere, but I can find a spot. So yeah, if you got a Honda CRX and you want to get rid of it,
Or if you have a Merker, I'll take that off your hands too. I'll send it to the junkyard.
XR 4T1 or whatever it is.
Yes.
Or a Porsche 911.
Yeah. You know, someone's got one of those laying around.
Seriously. Give me your CRX, or that's gonna happen to you. Have we done anything yet?
Cover's on. With 2 bolts. Every day, thousands, if not millions, of 7Ms and G54Bs are thrown to the side, unwanted by the masses.
Hi, I'm Scott.
Hi, I'm Randall.
And here at the SNR Motoring Foundation, we're coming up with new and innovative ways to put a stop to instant swap syndrome.
You can help sponsor one of these unwanted engines by purchasing a Save the 7M or Save the G54B shirt.
All the proceeds from your purchase will help save these engines from extinction.
So please, go to sandrmotoring.com
and help save a life today. Looks good to me. Yeah, so when we were just putting the timing belt on, we noticed that it was kind of crooked. That's because we had the cam gears on backwards. So make sure when you're putting them on that this side goes to the motor.
I'm so glad you're
Struggling.
enjoying watching me struggle here. Before I at least had some help. Now I got nothing.
Alright, timing belt is on and tensioned. The motor is in time. So now we're going to start throwing on the manifolds. And I guess, are you putting another coat of paint on the oil pan?
No.
So
we can go ahead and throw that on.
We're going to throw the oil pan on too. And that's going to put us one step closer to
Nothing.
getting the trash off the Supra.
No, it'll still be there. It'll just be moved. Alright.
Doing this again?
Yeah. You gonna help or are you just gonna let me struggle?
I'm going to let you struggle.
Die.
No, I'll help you. Just give me a second. And you'll continue giving me seconds. Or your other eye's going to be black. The juggernaut. Where are you going?
God, this thing's heavy. What's the cast iron block?
Mine's
Watch
cast
yourself,
iron
Tom.
too.
Don't stand up to the side because then it's gonna go. I don't want you to get messed up. Okay. Okay.
Pain.
Beep beep.
That went a lot smoother than last week.
What are you talking about? Last week went smooth. It was just like. Whoop. Oh, you know what now we gotta do?
What?
They're timing covers.
Hey, Felpro, you need to step up your game with your packaging. All these gaskets we got are all cattywampus. What's up with that? How are we supposed to make 1,000 horsepower with a gasket like that?
Who's making 1,000 horsepower?
What's a Supra? It's supposed to have 1,000 horsepower.
It's a 7M. It's just supposed to have a blown head gasket.
Gotta get that proper sealage.
I dropped a piece down there.
Nah, it'll burn off in the combustion chamber.
Burn off where?
The oil filter will catch it.
Will it?
Pickup spring. The
Huh?
pickup. I'll get it. Don't worry about it.
Shut up. Guess we'll put it on the pan.
Wait, so you don't use a gasket?
Hmm?
You don't use a gasket?
That's what the manual says.
Hmm. So you just use RTV?
What the manual says.
Do you believe everything the manual says?
Yes.
If the manual told you to jump off a bridge, would you do it?
Yes. Because I'm probably going to end up doing that since I kept the 7M.
Alright. Oil pan's on. Just gotta put the bolts in. And then I don't know what we're gonna do.
Probably call it a day.
Yeah.
Because you'll have to roll.
Our 2-hour time limit is
Expired.
is expiring as we speak.
Damn it, where'd it go? Should you put them back or put one back? Did it break off in the block?
No.
What happened now? Did it break or
No.
it just shot out?
It's just shot. Too much tension, I guess. It's not like this, but it's shot.
Is it?
It's not tightening. Like it gets tight and it loosens. It's back.
Problems arise as usual. Next on CNN.
CNN.
Problems as usual. The bolt holding it to the engine stand popped, won't go back in, and the oil pan is dented up pretty bad, so I'm either gonna have to try to flatten it or get another one. So if you have a spare oil pan that you're willing to donate, please do it.
For a 7M, not a 2J.
Yes, for 7M. We don't do, I can't even spell Jay-Z.
Alright, well yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Hit the subscribe button, like button, leave us a comment. Let us know what you think happened to Randall's eye. And as always, thanks for watching. See ya.
Bye. Keep on motoring.